I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. What's the most impactful thing I can do to improve behavior in my classroom? Wow, I've got like a lot of ideas around that one, but two things come to mind. First one being consistency. Whatever you do, be consistent. Here's what I'm seeing is we have too many kids who really don't know what the limits are, where the limits are, what comes next. So I like to put some procedures into place right from the start. So if you haven't done that and it's like halfway through the semester, start it in January, whatever, but start something and stay with it. Consistency can really save your life because it's self-regulating. And when we demonstrate regulation in front of kids, they're able to do it on their own. The second thing, and of course of utmost importance that we always talk about, is those relationships and community. The more we can get the kids to build a community with one another, and the more their relationships will be healthy. Because I find often we're fighting behaviors amongst the kids versus teacher versus student. So two things: predictability, consistency, whenever possible, say what you mean what you say, put some things into place, and build those relationships to form a community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.